Here I am fixing up some donated bar stools someone gave us. The paint I'm using is just mist-tint paints that I mixed together. I'm using a theme of trees inside our new house, any sort of artsy installation that I'm making for the house. So here I'm doing a tree for each season. So this is the cushion back, the chair back, and I'm doing just a winter tree. And I have already painted the other trees too, spring, and I've started on fall and summer. But I'm trying to incorporate many of the same, I'm using the same color palette for all 4 chairs, but not each season needs all the colors. Like winter doesn't need any of the warm colors other than just the dots of yellow. So it's just fun when you're making involved art to think of ways to tie it all together when you're using several pieces. It's definitely folk art. It's a lot of fun, just easy and fun.